Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these flower candy balls, along with how I did this clear acrylic set with real encapsulated flowers using dual forms. Alright, so to create the candy ball, I'm using this cosmetic syringe and it has a blunt end on it and it's perfect for forming the candy ball. And I'm also using this pink and turquoise color gel polish and these caviar beads and Poochiez Nails Bling Gel, but any clear builder gel will do. Alright, so you want to gather your caviar beads and dip the tip of your syringe or dotting tool or whatever you're using into the gel, and you kind of want to give it time to settle to create like a nice circular dome shape. And without caring, you want to pick up a few of those caviar beads, and I just use my finger to kind of create a kind of round shape with them. So I'll go ahead and cure that, and then I do a layer of builder gel over it, and I constantly turn my syringe so that the gel can settle in a round shape. So after curing, I'm just going to go ahead and use my alpha detail brush and the pink gel polish to paint on some petals. So after curing the gel polish, I'm going in with another layer of the builder gel. Making sure that it settles all around to create a nice little ball. So you're just gonna repeat the process over and over again. But I didn't like how my pink one was forming. It wasn't round enough, so I started over and I used the silver caviar beads in the center this time. And as you can see, this one is more round and this is the one that I like the best. So I went ahead and painted on the petals and cured, and now I'm going in with a layer of the builder gel. And I find that it's better to kind of hold it down and then spin it, and then also turn it up and spin it. And that just gives the perfect round shape. So I go ahead and cure this, and even while it's curing, I'm steady spinning it because I don't want the gel to settle in one area. So this is what it looks like after curing, and I'm just going to continue to paint my petals on. I just repeat this over and over and over again until you have your candy ball. So this technique is inspired by Larissa. I do not know the full Instagram handle, but I will leave the name down below. But she has some amazing work, and her candy balls look like glass marbles. Like, they are so perfect. So this is just a really beautiful technique, and I am going to continue to practice because I want these to turn out like so bomb. And there's so many things that you can do. You can put glitter in them. You can just create so many color combinations, and I cannot wait to try and perfect this skill. So this is how it looks after I have formed the entire ball, and you want to make sure to finish off with a layer of the clear builder gel. So these are my failed attempts, and just do not get discouraged. It took me, no lie, about 10 times to get this right. Now I'm going in with my gel top coat, and this is what it looks like after the gel top coat is applied. And to take it off, you just kind of twist it and it just pops right off. And it is so pretty and mesmerizing. It looks like glass. It's like crazy. So yeah, this is how it turns out. And I went ahead and made a pink one as well. And I just love how this one turned out also. Like I was saying, it took me about 10 times to get this right, so do not get discouraged. But you know, when you do get it down packed, like, it is so pretty. So yeah, this is just me showing you guys how I apply the top coat. And you just want to make sure you have a nice even layer, and you know, just spinning the ball around and making sure you're getting the top coat over all the surface. So this is after curing. All right, so on to the nails. I'll be using these Madam Glam dual forms, and these are professional quality dual forms, and they are made of ABS plastic. You get 12 different sizes and 360 tips, so that is just a lot. So this is how the case looks. All the sizes are separated, and this is how the forms look. Now these forms are much sturdier than others that I've tried. They're nice and sturdy. They don't bend like all that much, and I like how they do have these lines on it so you can determine how long you want your nails. So I'm just going to pick my sizes. And for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails Clear Acrylic, these dried flowers from GearBest, and of course my flower candy balls. So I'll be going in with the Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator, and the No Lift Nails Primer. All right, so I've picked out all of my dual form sizes. So I'm just doing one final check to make sure this is the correct size. And then I'm taking a bead of clear and placing that inside of the dual form. And this layer is kind of thin because I just want something to stick the flowers into. And when placing the flowers, you want to make sure to place them upside down. So once I have the flowers in there, I go ahead and cover them with more acrylic. And then I quickly place the dual form on. And then once it has set, it takes about 2 minutes. I go ahead and pop it off, and this is how it looks. And I just repeat the same process for all of the nails. So the polygel kind of spoiled me because with polygel you're able to take your time and pat it into the dual form, but with acrylic you have to work fast, because if this begins to set and you haven't put it on your fingernail yet, it is not going to stick, so you have to work fast. And if you have any product that's squeezed out on the side, you want to make sure to get that off before it begins to set. But this process is so quick, like it took no time to get these nails on. And I also wanted to test out if I was able to encapsulate with these dual forms. And you certainly can. You just want to make sure wherever you're encapsulating, it's really thin, because you don't really have that much room with the dual forms. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic has set, and I'm just going to wiggle these dual forms off, and voila! Alright, so now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. Alright, so after the shaping and filing is done, I'm just going to take some medium-sized beads of clear acrylic and use those to adhere my candy balls. And I also applied some large crystals as well. Alright, so to apply more of my iridescent crystals, I'm applying the Bling Gel, and without caring, I'm applying the Poochiez Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And this is what I use to adhere my crystals, and they do not budge, they do not fall off. So yeah, I'm just placing some iridescent crystals and Swarovski crystals. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. Alright, so now I'm applying Poochiez Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to the rest of the nails. And I cured, and then I apply some to underneath the nails as well. Alright, so this is what it looks like after curing, and once the nails have cooled down, I am applying my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a very colorful spring-like nail design. I love the encapsulated flowers, but I really love the flower candy balls. The detail is amazing, and they just look like glass marbles. They are so pretty. So it has been a lot of people trying this out. There are so many color combinations you can do with these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.